Physics Part 126. The mass of an oxygen molecule is 16 times the mass of a hydrogen molecule. Equal masses of hydrogen and oxygen gases are mixed and are allowed to come to equilibrium. Calculate the ratio of numbers of molecules. Calculate the ratio of the average kinetic energy per molecule. Calculate the ratio of pressures exerted on the walls of the container. An ideal gas is compressed and adiabatically to 1/3. An ideal gas is compressed adiabatically to 1/3 of its volume. The work done on the gas is 500 joule. Number A, state how much heat enters or leaves the gas. B, state the change of internal energy of the gas. C, what happens to the temperature of the gas. Well, now we've got our 7th unit, 7th chapter, and it is called electricity, a very important one. Chapter number 7, electricity. Electricity is so vital to modern life that physicists and engineers need to understand it fully so that we can enjoy all benefits. The aim of this chapter is to consider fundamental ideas about electric current and electric circuits in order to provide a basis for further study of electricity. We start by thinking about current as the flow of charge. We link the idea of potential difference to energy change in a circuit. Resistance comes in as a measure of opposition to the flow of charge. The idea of resistance introduces Ohm's law. Kirchhoff's first and second laws are seen as the laws of conservation of charge and of energy applied to simple electric circuits. Moving on to the circuit theory, we shall derive the rules for combining resistors in series and in parallel, and also analyze complete circuits. Charge and circuit, or should I say charge and current. At the end of this section, you should be able to show an understanding that electric current is the rate of the flow of charged particles. You should be able to define charge and the coulomb. You should be able to recall and solve problems using equation Q is equal to LT. You should be able to define potential difference and the volt. You should be able to recall and solve problems using V is equal to W over Q. You should be able to define resistance and the ohm. You should be able to recall and solve problems using V is equal to IR. You should be able to recall and solve problems using P is equal to VI, P is equal to I square R, and P is equal to V square over R. All matter is made up of tiny particles called atoms, each consisting of a positively charged nucleus with negatively charged electron moving around it. Charge is measured in units called coulombs, symbol C. The charge on an electron is minus 1.6 into 10 power raised to minus 19 coulombs. C. Normally atoms have equal numbers of positive and negative charges, so that their overall charge is 0, but for some atoms it is relatively easy to remove an electron, leaving an atom with an unbalanced number of positive charge. This is called the positive ion. And we can also have the other way around.